channel. I'm Nikki.
And I'm Rachel, and we're the Stitch Sisters.
We're back today with a very exciting video.
We are.
In the summer, we made some trench coats. We both made different ones.
Yes, we did.
And we are very excited to show you them today.
We are, yes.
Before we start, we just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone who subscribed to our channel recently. Our numbers are going up, and so we wanted to say thank you and welcome everyone.
Yes, and if this is your first time watching one of our videos, welcome to our channel. We are the Stitch Sisters, and we produce videos all about sewing, DIY, fashion, style, all the things that we love. So if that's the sort of thing that you're interested in, then make sure you click on the subscribe button below and also click the little bell, and you will receive notifications every time we post a new video.
Excellent.
So should we tell them about our trench coat?
Let's do it. So which one did you make?
So I made the Isla trench coat by Named Patterns. And I had this on my Make 9 list, but it has also been on my wish list for much, much longer than that. So I made it out of a Coupe Pro fabric. It's a blush pink Coupe Pro fabric that I bought from Rainbow Fabrics Kilburn, and their Coupe Pro is £5 a metre. I know, it's
and
insane.
you must have needed a lot for the trench coat.
I think I ordered 4 metres because I wanted to make sure that, 4 metres I think, and then there was 2.5 of the lining.
Okay.
But I wanted to make sure that I had extra in case I needed to recut any pieces,
yeah,
or my top stitching wasn't quite right, or that sort of thing. I knew I was going to be fussy with this one. So that was £5 a metre, and then I lined it with a really cheap lining as well. So it's a peacock design cotton poplin from Fabricland in Bristol.
That's right.
And that was only £3.99 a metre. So it was a real budget make actually, but I could not be happier with the results. I love it so much.
Yeah.
And I just love the second I put it on, I feel $1 million. And there's very few things that you make that do that to you. So I'm just so in love with it.
Also something that you can wear a lot.
Yes.
Because dresses, like evening dresses, do that to you.
Yes.
But you don't wear them every day.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's nice to have something that's an everyday wear.
Yeah, and since I've finished it, I've stuck it on when I've just got trainers and tracksuit bottoms on. I've put it on when I'm all glammed up, and it works brilliantly both ways. So it was a tricky one, I won't lie to you. It was every bit as difficult as I thought it was going to be. The sewing itself, not so much, but the process was quite difficult because there are 24 pattern pieces, and I ordered the PDF thinking that I would just piece that together and then it would be quite simple because I could just cut out the pieces and go for it. But unfortunately, once I'd finished piecing it all together, I realised that a lot of the pieces were overlapped. So I was like, I would say that the piecing, tracing, and then cutting of the fabric probably took me 2 solid days. Don't be put off by that. Just make sure that you allow yourself enough time. This is not going to be a project that you can rush. You do need to make sure that you take your time to do it.
You can't do it in a day.
No, but the actual sewing itself probably didn't take any longer than the cutting out process. It's really well explained, really clear directions, lots of good hand-drawn illustrations. But if you are ready to take your sewing to the next level, if you are a confident intermediate dressmaker, then I would say it's definitely a good project for you, and you will absolutely be happy with the results.
Excellent.
The tortoiseshell buttons that I needed a lot of, because there's 12 on the front, 1 on each sleeve. There's a lovely little collar, collar belt it's called, and that needed a couple of buttons. They were from Fabricland as well. They're tortoiseshell buttons, and they were for the bargain price of, I think the big ones were 30-something each. And so yeah, overall, thumbs up for me. Loved it. Tell me about yours.
Well, I made the Ellsworth coat or jacket by Christine Haynes. And again, this one was on my Make 9. Yay! So I...
Make 9.
Tick that box. So it was one that I had looked at and thought, actually, at that time I hadn't made a lot of coats and jackets. It was completely simple. There's no tricky bits about this. It's just complex in the fact that you've got lining and you've got outers, but it is really well explained in the tutorial and everything that you go through with it. So I think definitely for a beginner, if you've not done anything complicated like a jacket before, this is a really good one to do.
Excellent.
It's a red gabardine from Oh So Crafty, and the lining was from Oh So Crafty as well. And I've gone for a wild lining because why not?
She messaged me and said, is bright coloured harlequin lining too much for my trench coat? And I said to her, it's bright red.
Yes.
It's not, nothing's too much, whatever you want.
And I love a red coat, and so it's just perfect, and it's a lovely shade of red.
Yeah.
I do love the stiffness of it, and the buttons I got just from eBay. And it was one of those, I really didn't know which buttons to choose. I ended up buying about 6 or 7 different sets of coat buttons just so I could see them against the fabric and choose. And at the last minute I added those white ones with the little speckles on them because I thought if I wasn't going dark, I needed something light. The only issue I had is that I made the size according to, I can't remember now because it was a few months ago, but I made the size according to my measurements and it has come up very big. I have since then seen lots of people saying it comes up very big, so downsize. So definitely if you're looking at this, I would definitely go down one size at least. We had to make a few little adjustments in the back of mine. We've added some darts into the back because it was just too boxy. We needed something to bring it in a bit, otherwise it was just felt as if it was drowning me. Now that we've taken it in a little bit, I do love it.
Yes.
And I will definitely wear it more. I didn't, at the before we'd done it, I didn't love it at all. But today I've put it on and I've styled it and I've taken it out onto the town and we've taken some pictures and I do love it. But I'm going to style it just casually, I think. I might wear it with the odd pencil skirt, that kind of thing, but mostly it's going to be worn with my jeans. It's going to be one of those day-to-day makes when I'm just running around after the kids and things like that. But because it is quite still quite big on me, I can get a good jumper under there. I could put a scarf with it and I wouldn't feel as if it was too tight on me.
Yeah.
And of course the oversized jacket is in this year.
It is, yeah,
so
absolutely.
I'm ticking all of those boxes as well, which may be an accident, but I'm still ticking them. I like the patch pockets, I like this, there's only a couple of buttonholes, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
And all in all, it was a great make, and I do think it would be good for someone who is not quite ready for the Isla, but if you're looking to make a simple coat or jacket, it is perfect.
Yeah, as long as you size down.
As long as you size down. Size down, definitely. Yeah, I might make another one actually. I quite fancy making a proper waterproof one.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice.
I have a waterproof fabric because I've never sewn with waterproof
fabric. Yeah, like a waxed cotton.
Yeah, something like that. Nice. So yes, there might be another one on its way soon.
Oh wow, I think that's everything that we need to tell you about our lovely trench coats. The only other things we can do is show you some of the lovely pictures that we took today out and about in our local market town of Chipping Sodbury.
Yes,
on a beautiful sunny day. What more could you ask?
Enjoy. Bye.
Bye.